Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and in today's walk around video we're looking at pre-owned 2018 Toyota Tundra SR5 TRD off-road. This body on the frame pickup truck comes in the white color, and it's also a double cab version of it. And some of the exterior features here at the front, we have fully LED lights, LED headlamps, LED day running lamps, LED fog lamps, chrome molding around the grille, pre-collision sensor integrated into the grille, and adaptive cruise control sensor integrated into the windshield. This Tundra comes with 5.7-liter V8 engine paired with automatic transmission. This powertrain produces 381 horsepower with 401 pound-feet of torque. And here on the side we can see 18-inch Michelin wheels with alloy rims. Here on the side we can see it's a double cab with 6.5-foot bed, also chrome bumpers at the front and rear, privacy rear window with tint, Tundra SR5 badging with V8 badging, and also TRD off-road lettering on the box. This is the keys from this Tundra. Driver's door is equipped with powered windows and doors, along with the window lock. We have speaker here, bottle holders, and storage compartment. In the driver's cockpit area, we have tilted and telescopic steering wheel, along with the next buttons. On the left side from it, we have exterior mirror adjustment, door lights on off, manual adjustment for the headlamps, bed light, automatic high beams, and sliding rear glass. Behind the steering wheel, we have driver informational gauge cluster with 4-inch digital display where we can see our safety settings right now, like lane departure alert, pre-collision system, vehicle settings, and meter settings. Also, we can add a trailer here. We have tire pressure monitoring system, and this is our trailer information, audio controls, and navigation, along with other useful information about our truck. We have oil pressure gauge here and voltmeter as well. This is the audio settings and voice intelligent assistant with the music mode and music off button right here, hands-free. On the right side, a driver informational display controls right here, and lane departure alert with the steering assist with the front sonar sensor. Moving to the center of the dash here, behind the steering wheel, first of all, we'll see parking sensors off button, traction control off, tow haul mode, trailer brake output, and gain buttons right here. We have a storage compartment with anti-slip surface here, perfect for the phone. Speakers in the center and in the corners of the dash right there. Down below we have a touch screen here with the CD player, and we have Bluetooth connectivity here, and we can go through different settings here as well, and audio. Sirius XM and HD radio capable as well. We have manual climate control with air conditioner and heated exterior mirrors. Down below we have USB and auxiliary output here, and heated seats for driver and front passenger buttons, and two 12-volt connectors on both sides. Cup holder, small cup holder, and two big cup holders with our gear shifter. And this is our central console with armrest with another storage pocket that is perfect for the phone. We can lift it up to get access to big storage bin with another 12-volt connector. Overhead console, including automatically dimming rear view mirror with the HomeLink universal garage door openers and compass. Also, we have compartment for glasses and map lights for the driver and front passenger, holder for the cards or map, and a sun visor has integrated lights and mirror. Seats in this Tundra made of black fabric material with headrests. Driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable with 2-way lumbar support, and front passenger seat is manually adjustable. Rear passenger area has some convenient features as well. We have powered windows, speakers. Here in the doors, at the back of the central console, we have 12-volt connector here and two cup holders that could be folded or unfolded. Storage pocket behind the front passenger seat. Also, we have pretty big storage compartment underneath the rear cushion. Moving to the back of this truck, we can notice a tonneau cover here. Truck comes with it. Bed lights, privacy rear glass with tint. This is our tail lights. and embossed Tundra lettering in the tailgate. We have backup camera right here with the Toyota badging as well. And when we open our tailgate, we see that this truck comes with the bed slides, shelving that's been pre-installed here, and also composite bed cover. This Tundra also comes with the towing package, a heavy-duty towing hitch receiver, and this Tundra can tow up to 10,200 pounds. We have 4 and 7 pin connectors here for your trailer, with additional lights and full-size spare tire underneath the cargo bed, and convenient step that integrated into the rear bumper. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned 2018 Toyota Tundra SR5 double cab TRD off-road that we have here in stock. This body on the frame pickup truck comes with the V8 engine and lots of convenient features like Toyota Multimedia with Sirius XM HD radio and CD player, climate control with air conditioner and heated exterior mirrors, heated front seats, tow haul mode, powered sliding rear glass, and so much more. And also, by the way, the cargo box comes with tonneau cover and installed sliding boxes. Stop by to test drive this Tundra today. We're located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.